With this video, let's start the section of the course that talks about the audio quality for your webinar.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
If you have echo problems in the room that you are filming in, or if your sound isn't as crisp and maybe a little as raspier than you want, one solution is to get something like acoustic foam that you see here. And I'm going to have a link in the video resources. By the way, I'm not selling this. I'm not an affiliate seller of this. I'm just recommending it because it's a good product. And it's something that you can put in front of you is the best place, behind your camera. So not between the camera and you, obviously, but behind the camera so that it doesn't block your recording. But at the same time, as you're talking out, this foam will block and absorb a lot of the sound. So that it absorbs the sound, so it gets rid of echoey sounds in rooms. And you can put one like this on in front of you. What people buy is often see also this item together. They buy that together, and this is for the side, maybe like for the corner of your room next to you, maybe on somewhere on the side. This is good for the sides to block the sound. So foam like this and in front of you is fantastic to help your audio quality improve right away. It's not very expensive, as you can see. For just like $70 something, you can get this pretty complete setup and immediately improve your audio without really over investing too much. So this is a good thing to have, and you can experiment by buying one or two. Professional recording studios have a lot of the wall space covered in this stuff that you just don't see it because it doesn't get into the video, but they have a lot. Professional studios have a lot of this kind of stuff. But if you're filming like from a home studio, you don't want to make your home your entire room ugly. So you want to be selective in how much of this stuff you put up. I would recommend starting a little bit slow and then working your way up from there, so that you can, if you see sound improvements, great. If you don't see it, maybe you can return this item, or you can buy a couple of more and see if it helps. And if it doesn't help, you can return the item, because it's a problem. The sound echo issue is a problem in some rooms but not in some others. So if it's not a problem for you, you don't really need this, but it is a good solution for echoes in sound. Or if you're getting a lot of like background noise, it can also help to reduce the background noise as well.